In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline text in PowerPoint. Adding an outline to your text is a quick way to make titles and labels stand out, especially on busy backgrounds or in large rooms where contrast matters. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, share why each choice matters, and give a few practical tips to help you get clean, professional results. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation and navigating to the slide that has the text you want to enhance. Click once to select the text box, or double-click and drag to highlight only the specific words you want outlined. Selecting the right portion now ensures your changes apply exactly where you need them. Next, look to the top of the screen for the formatting ribbon. Depending on your version, you'll see either shape format or text format. Click that tab to bring up all the text styling tools you'll use in this process. Find the text outline button in the toolbar. Click it, then click the small drop-down arrow to reveal all of the outline options. This is where you control color, thickness, and finer details. Choose your outline color first. You can pick from the theme colors for quick, consistent results, or select more outline colors to dial in a custom hue. If your slide background is dark, consider a lighter outline. If the background is light, a darker outline will usually pop better. Consistent color choices help your slides feel cohesive. Now adjust the outline thickness. Click Text Outline again, hover over Weight, and choose a preset thickness. A thin line adds a subtle edge that improves readability without drawing too much attention, while a thicker line creates a bold, high-contrast look that's easier to read from a distance. For precise control, click more lines and enter a custom size. Small increments can make a big difference, so don't be afraid to fine-tune. If you want to push the effect further, customize the text fill. Still on the Format tab, click Text Fill and choose a solid color, a gradient, or even a picture fill. Pairing a light fill with a dark outline or the other way around creates strong contrast. Just avoid colors that are too similar, which can make the text look fuzzy. Finally, step back and review. Toggle to slideshow or zoom out to see how the text reads at a glance. If it feels heavy or too faint, adjust the color and wait until it looks balanced and clear. Your text is now outlined and more visually impactful. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.